Hello, it's me, and I've got another unboxing, and I honestly cannot remember what this was. The box suddenly showed up, and I couldn't remember what I ordered. So this is going to be as much a surprise to me as it is to you. Okay, now, this here. Okay, so let's see what this is, because I honestly can't remember. Ooh, it's a couple of puzzles. Where did all this come from? Oh, I think I remember. I think I remember it now. Yes. This is a package, I believe, from Raphael. I got a message here. So I think this is merci beaucoup. Perhaps, peut-être. Anyway, no, thank you. Okay, so I'll start off with the most cube-like looking one. So you know that I'm a big fan of Raphael's work, and I love nothing more than to showcase and demonstrate all of his great stuff. Everything he's made so far is incredibly playable, well thought out, well crafted. So I know that I'm in for quite a bit of treats here. Okay, let's get through the fascia layer here. Okay, so what do we have? Wow, so it's not a cube, it's one of those stillite puzzles, those star puzzles. Oh, okay, let's carefully, gently, and with high precision cut through all this stuff. Here we go. Wow. Okay, this looks to be a master version of something, but it looks like two pyramids that are thrown inside each other. So let's see how this moves. Oh wow. Okay, so it's got the same smoothness of motion. Okay, so how many layers do we have here? We've got this top layer over here. We've got this middle layer over here, and then we've got this bottom layer over here. Okay, well, I'm going to study what this is, and let's see how this actually moves, what kind of a puzzle this is. Are there any other motions here? Oh, no, there's more here too. So it truly looks like a pyraminx inside a pyraminx. It moves exactly like a pyraminx with this side here. Now this part doesn't move, it's all fused here, and then this side moves here as well. Okay, now in terms of doing other moves, I assume that it goes across here. Yeah, okay, perfect. So this looks like basically a pyraminx inside a pyraminx. How many layers? 1, 2, well, count this whole. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So two master pyraminxes together. Yeah, this is fascinating. So I've got a number of puzzles I have to catch up on scrambling and solving. So here, perfect. Wow. All right, so this is another incredibly creative idea. So I'll figure more out about this in a bit, but I'm excited to see what else we have on the horizon. Here's a more compact puzzle here. Okay. This one is very well packed. Whoop. I broke ground. Alright, what do we got here? The structure, I kind of recognize the structure based on what I can see. I really like this tiger claw. Okay, well, so this looks a lot like that variation of a face-turning octahedron. Wow, so it's got a Rex look to it. This turns. And okay, so that's what turns. This and this. So this is a master version of another Raphael puzzle that I have. Can I move in this angle? So there may be a little hybridization. Yeah, so this turns over here too. So this turns, and this turns. These aren't exactly the same type of face, but it looks like it's a different kind of a puzzle, and this turns over here. So these Rex turns are different types of puzzles. Well, different types, so I think it's something of a hybrid. Alright, I'm going to set this here for now and analyze this a little bit more. Let's see what else we've got here. Let's get these open first, and then we'll see what they are. Oh, okay. So this one looks to be a master version of another variation of a face-turning octahedron. So this may look familiar of another puzzle that I had. Oh yeah, so this is a higher level version. I think it was called the Chrysanthemum or something. Anyway, so yeah, anything that has this Rex look to it is generally a shape modification of a face-turning octahedron. So that's what we're looking at here. This is very similar. So I have seen this before. This is a higher level version of it. So I really enjoy the face-turning octahedrons, and this might be the next order up from that. So we got a side that turns here, here. Yeah, so I wonder if this is like a master face-turning octahedron. And this is also a similar kind of a puzzle. So I think these two are based on a very similar structure. This guy, well, some kind of a pyraminx looking structure. I'm going to look a little bit more into this, but I was too excited to really do much research, but just open up the puzzles. But anyway, they're really, really well done, really smooth moving, very playable puzzles, and more gems from Raphael. So more on these guys later. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.